Hi, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make strawberry lamingtons. I also know them as strawberry snowballs, but that is just different parts of South Africa call them different things. So let me know in the comment section what you could call this. Is it going to be strawberry lamingtons or snowballs? I really enjoy these. I used to go to the bakery section and I used to always get a pack of these strawberry snowballs. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you try to make these. And if you do, please leave in the comment section below, and please check the comment section below for a link to my Amazon store where you can get yourself this cute little spatula where you can even engrave your name or a saying that you would like. I think it's really cute and cool, so just check the description and the comment section. My link for my Amazon store will be there, and you can purchase one of these cool spatulas as well. I engraved mine with just Anya and a cute little cupcake. I think it's so cute and adorable, and it's totally customizable to what you would like to write on your spatula, and you get to choose the different color of the silicone part of the spatula, and I believe there's 4 colors to choose from, so that is also a fun addition. Enjoy, and onto the video. can smell this coconut. It's nice and soft. Good.